In this episode, I'm going to show you one of the best password managers in 2024. I'm going to show you how to install it and set it up. Let's get started. Okay, I have the website for the installer here. Go to this website. What we're going to do is we're going to download the portable zip file. You can install it on your computer if you want to by doing the installer. Um, for me, I like to install it on, run it from a thumb drive so I can take it around wherever I want to. I'll have the link in the description. So go in the description and I'll have the link for you guys. Okay, so after you download the zip file, you're going to extract the files. I For me, create a folder on your thumb drive called Keypass, and then you can extract the files in there. Here's the files. So I created a shortcut to the desktop. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so when you open Keypass, you're gonna come to a box here about creating a new database. Click OK. It's gonna ask you to where you want to store the database. So normally you want to store the database inside the folder that you created. So here, I'm just going to leave the file name alone by default. You can name it whatever you want. So for here, you're going to create a master password. Just click on yes. Here, you can click on OK. Here, the emergency sheet. You don't really want to worry about this. Just hit skip. You do all that, it's going to come here. It's going to create two sample entries. So for me, I just delete them by clicking on Control and right click, delete entries. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to delete all of these because I'm going to show you how to make, because it comes with default groups. Okay, when you delete groups or delete entries as well, it'll go to your recycling bin. All you got to do is right click the recycling bin and go to empty recycling bin. All right, so groups and delete the general group. And we're going to empty the recycling bin again. All right, so here, we're going to right click, we're going to add group. You're going to create the group. We'll just name it websites. Here you can click the icon and can select what icon you want out of the 68 icons they give you. Here I'm going to get the globe, or you can do a custom icon as well. Hit OK and then OK again. So here's my websites group. Now to make entries, you click on your group and you click the key icon and you go to add entry. Here, your name, you're going to title the entry. I'm going to say Facebook. Username of the Facebook. Do George at outlook.com. You're going to give it the password and you'll repeat your password. URL. You're going to give the URL of the Facebook website. You're going to hit OK. So there we go. Now, if you want to log into your Facebook and you don't know your password or an easy way to get to the website, if you right click and you go to URL and open. If you go to open, it'll open it in your default web browser, whatever your default web browser is. Another way is you click on your entry and you click this icon here, open URL, and it'll go to Facebook. And then from there, you can right click your entry and you go to copy username and then copy password. You can do a Control B or Control C as well. All right, so next I'm going to show you how to back up your database. Okay, so to save the database, click on Save once you exit the software. Then to back up the database, really easy. go to this PC. We're going to go to the folder where open your Keypass on, and it's going to be the database right here. It's going to be .kdbx. So here you can right click and you can copy the database file and paste it wherever you want it. So you can put it on another thumb drive. You can put it wherever you want to save it. Now, what I've done is I saved the database on my flash drive, and I copied that database onto my desktop. So whenever I have my flash drive in my computer, I will sync the changes, and I'll show you how to do it right now. So for example, I'm going to copy this database and I'm going to paste it on my desktop. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Keypass again. All right, so now I'm going to make a new entry real quick. All right, so now I'm going to sync this database with the database that I have on the desktop. So you're going to go synchronize with file and then open. And synchronization completed successfully. So next, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to lock your database. Okay, one cool thing is, say you want your Keypass up and running and you walk away from your computer. You can lock, they call it locking the workspace. It's going to be this little icon here, and then it's locked. You can tell as the locked by the symbol, the red symbol here. Now you got to do to open it is put in your master password. Okay, and one thing to note is the database is encrypted as well. So you don't have to worry about if it's encrypted or not. It's encrypted by AES. And these settings, just leave by default. Compression, recycling. You can actually turn your recycling bin off, but I would leave it on because if you turn it on, it'll permanently remove anything that you delete. So leave it on just in case if you accidentally delete something, you can go back to the recycling bin and restore it. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So if you right click something and you delete entry, you hit yes, you can take it and you can drag it back to the group by left clicking and drag. And yeah, that's how you do it. You can actually find entries, whatever you want to type. You can actually type entries up here as well, and I'll find it. Another thing is you can set your password to expire, or is it right here? Expires. You can set the expiration. One-time password generator. You can create a one-time password generator as well. Yeah, so that is it for Keypass. If you have any other password managers you want to share that you like, let me know in the comments below. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.